Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a new Twixtor setting which will remove any glitches from your videos and make them very smooth and realistic. So this is my inner composition which is 23.9 fps and this is my outer composition. I have applied the Twixtor and you can see it makes a lot of glitches. So we're going to fix it. So the main issue is the model, the motion estimator. The old Twixtor versions have fast and precise model, which will make glitches for sure. But in the new version, you have the DNN and model 1. And this is very powerful model and it's take a lot of usage of your GPU also, but it's worth it. So if you apply this model and check the results, you will see a lot of difference and it will remove any glitches from your videos and make it really smooth and realistic, as you can see in the real time. So for this you need to download the latest version of Twixtor, which is this, and also apply the DNN model in your next edits. It will help you to make a good edits and videos. And before ending the video, we have our sponsor 40dig. 40dig is an amazing video enhancer. You can download this from the description. It will help you to increase the quality of your clips and edits. Just have to import your clip and then just follow my settings here. Make sure you select the quality and just enhance it. Wait for the process. If I show you the side-by-side difference, this is the results, and after if I add a CC, it will look something like this. So see you in the next video.